The faceless YouTube business you know is officially dead. If your entire strategy relies on stitching together random stock clips and using the same AI voices as everybody else, you are running directly into a trap. YouTube's automated systems are quietly flagging commoditized AI content as spam, and channels with millions of views are disappearing overnight. The problem isn't AI, the problem is that you have no identity. To survive in 2026, you must build brand IP, an intellectual asset that cannot be replicated. Today, I am revealing the exact framework to automate a protected media brand using advanced character synthesis. When infinite competition enters a market, your value drops to zero. That is what's happening to basic entertainment and history channels right now. When anyone can generate a video in 3 clicks using automated tools, you no longer have a business. You have a hobby that is waiting to get demonetized. The creators who are quietly securing massive monthly revenue aren't making generic claims or promising specific dollar amounts in their titles. They are building structured educational assets. They use AI to execute the heavy lifting, but they anchor the entire channel around a permanent digital host. This is where the multi-agent automation workflow completely changes the game. Instead of manually editing for hours, insiders are deploying specialized developer layers like Claude Code, connected directly to media engines via custom connectors. You feed the system high-retention context structures, and the infrastructure automatically writes the logic, syncs the voice layers, and builds localized pattern interruptions every 45 seconds. You aren't just creating content. You are launching a digital workforce that executes flawless distribution while maintaining absolute brand ownership. The secret to making this completely safe for the long term is avoiding the compliance traps that amateurs fall into. The moment you place big income promises or exact financial guarantees in your thumbnails, you trigger YouTube's guidelines filter. Insiders focus entirely on high-value tutorials, operational blueprints, and structural guides. By positioning your digital character as an authoritative industry expert, you don't need millions of broad views. You build deep, unshakable trust with a premium audience that buys your underlying back-end products and sponsorships effortlessly. The automation landscape is shifting faster than the algorithm can update. The window to establish your character's authority and lock in your brand IP is right now, before the marketplace becomes fully saturated with generic noise. If you are ready to stop posting high-risk, commoditized videos and want to see the exact structural prompts I use to configure protected data layers, comment the word empire below. I will send the complete technical framework directly to your inbox. The rules have changed. Stop playing the old game. Build your asset.